With a common denominator.
And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
Let's talk about something important. Put that coffee down.
I'm not here to waste your time.
Where else you gonna have this much fun?
You the man. You the man.
Todd Father.
Show me the money.
What I've been doing, had to triple my bag. Had to triple my bag. Wow. Had to triple my bag. Wow. Had to triple my bag. Yeah. Had to triple my bag.
60% of the time, it works every time.
That doesn't make sense.
Well, it's no trick to make a lot of money. All you want is to make a lot of money.
Hey, good afternoon. More of the same. Stock market continuing to work higher as expected. Bitcoin, cryptos in general, a little sloppy. Did work up to that 36.6 level I mentioned. Traded there for 1 minute, and that was the high. My indicators really didn't give me a good sell up there, so I didn't sell anything. Still long. We're at 33,300 now. 3,300 off the high, so a little over 9% off the highs. Ethereum 2108 after firming up, had a nice little rally yesterday. Well, it got up to about 2290, and then right back down a couple hundred. So outperforming Bitcoin a little bit. Litecoin 136.54. Stocks, I still think work higher here. I thought Bitcoin would just gradually join the party. With stock market continuing higher, looks like Fed's going to keep everything working higher. So let's go to the bigger screen here. Most of our technometers on crypto are neutral. Here's the Wyckoff Wave Crypto Index. Technometers at 44.94, really where it was. So no big change. On a Bitcoin, same type of thing. We're around 44, 45. So volume hasn't came in strong off the bottom. We have not had a sign of strength like some people are saying. Sign of strength, it's got to have some more volume. Hopefully we can get that on a rally maybe to 40,000 or so. But we could just be testing that earlier spring on the move down to 28.5. So if we can hold today's action around in here, I'll show. I think everything's still okay for the upside, but we need to hold here and get going to the upside again here really quick. So let's see if we can get something going faster. Then let's look at, let's go ahead and look at some of our Elliott wave counts. If we go to the Bitcoin 15-minute chart, I had shown a 1-2 off the low, and then presume maybe we've done another 1-2 off that low. So we've got a 1-2 would be the bullish count. Bearish count, obviously, is that we had an ABC up to that 36.6 level, which I did warn about, but I thought my technometer would give me a sell. It didn't. So for now, we're still going to call that a 1-2. If it is bearish, the count is as follows, which again I showed on the 4-hour chart. Not my preferred count, but the red 1-2 would have completed up there at that 36.6. And now we're headed down probably for an overlapping ending diagonal wave 5 of 5. That would probably still mean we got to move down to 24,000. So that is the bearish count. Bullish count is still what I've been showing, I believe, is we're in a sideways triangle. Need to get work a little bit higher here, maybe start oscillating around 43,000. Need to get it by the resistance of 41.5. But again, we need to really hold here and get going to the upside. Ethereum, same type of thing. I've been trying to show a B wave low and maybe a rally back to the 2900 resistance is what was hoping for. If we look at some Wyckoff markings that everybody's now showing. Spread this out here real quick on the accumulation. Volume supports this a little bit, but volume has been very quiet here off the low at 28.5 that I mentioned. So we really need some volume to come in here and show us a sign of strength. Again, that would be a move up to the 40,000 resistance on some good volume. So far, we're not really getting that, which is going to make the bigger distribution, which again, this is not my preferred, but that would be what would take us down to 24,000. So we do have to watch that. Anything below that 30,300 level would start to be bearish. Anything probably below 31.5 starts looking suspect. So you can watch those areas. If we go back to, let's look at stocks again. I've been bullish on stocks. Our Wyckoff Wave Growth Index gave us that. I had to buy June 3rd. So we continue higher. Looks like we've done maybe a little bullish flag up here. A bull flag. Technometer's 47. Looks like we still got a little bit of gas in the tank here to take stocks a little bit higher. Here's the SPY. Same type of thing. We're on the highs. Technometer is nearing overbought. So I really think these markets still trend of least resistance is still higher. You can see the uptrend here in the SPY. I think really any pullbacks, probably Technometer will get friendly. So it just to me looks like stocks have higher to work out. So maybe we're going to end some fifth waves here and have some type of pullbacks, but I don't think it's going to be drastic. Again, I could be wrong. I will give a sell at some point here. Short term, here's the QQQ. Technometer 47.69. So not overbought here on the QQQ. Wyckoff Wave. Technometer is 45.7. Coming off the spring I called for on the weekend review. And then interesting chart here. Small caps, IWM. We're up here at resistance. Kind of looks like we're trying to jump the creek. We've got an oversold Technometer. So IWM small caps maybe could try to do something here. We are still long, we're still long Microsoft. I mentioned the Technometer there, lower green circle. Oversold, even though we're up here at 270. So that's an interesting chart. We're staying long there. We're still long Square. Up at resistance, a little bit selling off today. Technometer neutral. I would think that thing could hold here and put itself back together. Yeti. Technometer. Circle green down the lower right, oversold. Looks like maybe we could try to assault that 96 level again. Work higher. I'm still short the GDX by being long dust. This is dust. Maybe a sign of strength here off the lows. The GDX, I've been short forever. We broke down Tuesday, opened up higher today, turning back down. We have been oversold in Technometer, but really can't put anything together. I think precious metals probably still lower. That's all I really got on the stocks. We've got TLT here. TLT, I'd mentioned on the weekend review, we was coming down to oversold, so I thought maybe this uptrend line would hold. It did. Still maybe lower interest rates. Lower interest rates is going to keep the stock market rally alive. So that might be the key. TLT continuing to work higher. Patrick wants to know why I'm not, bearish count's not my preferred. I mean, the volume, I mean, this definitely looked like a selling climax and a spring and a test. So, and volume hasn't been that bearish. We just can't get any really good, strong plus volume off these lows here, really is the only concern. But we're definitely at a tipping point here. We're going to see volume come into the upside or probably the downside. So, yeah, I mean, again, this is a bearish count. We had to fall through the ice on big volume. We rallied back to it on low volume. So this one could portend, again, we still haven't moved down to 24,000 or below. That's not been my preferred. Some of that is because, let's go back to intraday on the volume. I've been showing this chart. We had strong selling from the May 18th low into the June, whatever that was, 22nd or so of the low, while price really sprung the lows. So that on itself with the oversold technometer normally is friendly. If that low gives away or the test give away again, it would be would override that. But it looks like somebody definitely tried to support it here. Will they have success? That's the $1 million question. We'll go back here and look at Silvergate, pulling back a little bit. I do think if Bitcoin does make this low here, some of these miners, crypto-related stocks are going to rock and roll. So Silvergate could be one of those. Technometer's neutral. So again, I can't give anything really strong here, but I will like these if we can get this low in Bitcoin. Mara, same type of thing, trying to re-enter the trading range. But technometer, extremely overbought. The most bullish thing would be to see a little pullback here where the technometer come back to neutral to near oversold quickly. But long ways to go, sitting here at 57. Riot, same type of thing. You see technometer, major overbought at 59. Did come back to previous resistance, which doesn't look good on the daily chart. Respected that 2 days ago. I have no positions in any of these at the moment. Here's MicroStrategy, same type of thing. Technometer 51.5. It was more overbought, so if we do get a sell-off here over a few days, could get a little more friendly on MicroStrategy, but right now it's still just kind of neutral. There's Bitcoin at 33,148, which is back near the lows of the day. Again, we just cannot get a good rally here going, so I am a little bit concerned. What's up, Craig? Here we are nearing the low of the day. It would be okay to spike a new low here, but I would like to see that hopefully reversed. Let's go back to Ford. I am leaving town in the morning, so probably for sure no show tomorrow. Here's Ford, same thing, technometer neutral. Can't add much to there. I would guess we could still resolve higher since I am really still friendly on stocks in general. I don't think we're going to fall apart here. Positions were long. We will have stops on. So Bitcoin 33,150, Ethereum 2104, Litecoin 136. Alt's having a shitty day, 6, 7, 8% down. Not good action, but everybody seems to be bearish. I've got people that really almost giving up on crypto now, which I don't understand. We're still sitting at 33.2 after spending time down there at 4,000, 6,000, 10,000. We've got Stephen Cohen, I tweeted earlier, Looks like he's going to start talking about being involved in Bitcoin. We've got, with George Soros. So it just seems like I still think people are going to come to this area. If stocks are going to stay friendly, then I think they're going to come back and speculate on Bitcoin again. So I still think we're going to shake off all the bearishness and get this crypto market still moving higher. Let me run one of my quick disclaimers here real quick.
There is a high degree of risk involved in trading cryptocurrencies. Our thoughts and ideas are for entertainment purposes only. Please consult your personal advisor or do your own research. Past results are not indicative of future returns. Thank you.
Here's HIVE, just on the trading view. 5-minute chart. Let's go back to the 4-hour. Around 7 cents up to $7. Still sitting here at 354. Highly speculative, but probably will have more juice in the tank to take that one higher as well. So that's a quick overview of what I had. Don't really have much else. Stocks, again, I think still some pockets, maybe for sure higher. Other areas still backing and filling, but probably still higher. Crypto, still looking for a low here, but we need a little bit better action. We need some volume to come in. XRP, I'm going to show that here. Roman. Let's go out to the 6-month chart in the software. XRP USD consolidated volume, 140 plus exchanges. Setting down here 65 cents. Technometer 46.6. Volume still looks like, kind of looks like we're still under accumulation. Volume has been in an uptrend, but no strong call there either way. Let's look at RSP USDT real quick. 6-month there as well. Matic, we'll do that next, Johnny. XRP USDT. Let that load here real quick. $46.2 as well there, so no strong help. Matic USD consolidated. I don't have cake in the software, but I'll look at that on TradingView. Here's Matic 43.5. Was down around 39 on June 20th. Coming into that low. 43 here. We do have the OP continuing to hit new lows. Let's go to Matic USDT here real quick. $43.6. Pretty well mirror image of USD chart. ADA. Today is July 1st, so if you want access to Nick and I, patreon.com/learncrypto, 40 bucks a month. Gonna get some T&A from me, some fundamental from Nick. Me mostly larger cap, Nick more mid-sized, small cap. A lot of farming, staking, etc. Nick knows his stuff there, so join us now. Get a full month for $40. ADA USD, technometer 45.7. There goes Bitcoin, 32,874, so breaking through the low as we're live here. ADA USDT, 45.2. I'm going to go back to cake. 12.74, again down 8%. 4-hour chart. Not much to add on these. Again, everything's pretty well down 4 to 8%. Bitcoin down 6.18% now. Five-minute chart. Stock still holding the gains with 35 minutes to go. So with that break to new lows, I am going to head out here. Again, probably not live this weekend. Headed home to be with the wife and family. Lay by the pool, do some barbecuing. Patreon.com/learncrypto. WyckoffSMI.com if you want a course. We also got a stock Discord. So email me, hit me up if you have any questions. Otherwise, I'm going to run a couple of usual commercials and I'm out of here. So appreciate the support. Everybody have a safe holiday. And we'll talk to you after the holidays, or maybe I'll go live if we get some type of action. Later, Rico.
Warren Buffett, American investor, business tycoon, and one of the wealthiest people in the world, once said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." But how is that possible? Well, knowledge is power. In 2020, it is no longer news that cryptocurrencies are the currency of the digital future. Bitcoin's stability amidst unprecedented global economic impacts from COVID-19 has proven once again that crypto is here to stay. Learning how to trade, when to trade, and where to trade crypto assets can make the difference between success and failure. At LearnCrypto.io, we offer a pathway to sustainable and lifelong wealth by helping open-minded beginners and experienced traders navigate the thin ice of the cryptocurrency markets. Live shows, interviews, coin reviews, fundamental analysis, predictive trading bots, and open chat access to a community of real traders. These are just a few of the benefits you'll receive with a membership on patreon.com/learncrypto. Sign up today if you strive to build yourself a brighter tomorrow.
Are you intrigued by cryptocurrency, but just aren't sure how you can get started investing? Maybe you are simply too busy to trade your own cryptocurrency account since it is 365 24/7. Don't hold back any longer. With LearnCrypto.io, you can have a seasoned professional show you how. Todd W. Butterfield is a leader in trading with numerous real money trading successes to his name over the years. He owns LearnCrypto.io, the original Wyckoff Stock Market Institute, WyckoffSMI.com, as well as the Black Bay Group, a registered investment advisor. He has also created state-of-the-art software, consolidating over 100 plus crypto exchanges volume, as well as his own Wyckoff proprietary indicators. With today's stressful and busy lifestyles, isn't it time you considered having a knowledgeable investor manage your crypto account? In these unprecedented times, it is the perfect season to seriously consider LearnCrypto.io's private client group and add cryptocurrencies to your investment portfolio.
We'll see you all again. Sleep tight.